Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can hide like and view counts in Instagram post when you upload. So this is a very easy process. Just follow my step, then you will learn. So before the tutorial starts, you are friendly requested to subscribe to the channel. And if you face any problem or if you have any question, please let me know in comment below. I'll show you the guide video in upcoming tutorials. So here you can see the Instagram apps. Just click on this. And click here, you can see the plus icon, the bottom part of your screen. Click icon, plus icon, and click post. Here you can see, click post as choose your image, and after that we need to go here the right arrow button. Okay, click on this, and this is our image, and we need to go again the same process. Click the right arrow button, and this is the option where we are going to change the settings, hide like and view counts. So click this one. Here you can see the option advanced settings. Click on this, and this is the first option or first text, hide like and view counts on this post. Okay, initially this is default, turn it off. So you have to just simply click the button and it will turn it on. So no one can see your like percentage or like numbers, or no one can see that view counts if as the post of your video. Okay friend, after that we go back from this and just click the right mark or right sign. Okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you, and today is no more. Thank you for watching this tutorial.